Hi guys, today we're going to make omelette with cheese. So if you want to know how I cook this or make this recipe, please continue watch my video. This is Helen Moore, and please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell down to keep updated for more videos from me. So want to know how I cook this? Yalla, let's go. So the ingredients, we need 3 eggs, we need 1 slice of cheese, a little black pepper, a little salt, and we will use this no stick spray, or if you don't have like this, you can use the cooking oil. So first step, we're going to mix our egg. Then mix. Then we put our black pepper and our salt. Mix again. Next, you open the fire, put the pan, let it get hot. Then next, we're going to spray the non-stick spray. Then this time it's hot, so we're going to put our egg. Put the egg now. Let it spread very well. You have to lower the fire so that your egg will not get burned, and it will cook balance. Then this time you have to turn it back. See? Leave it a little bit and then turn it back again. Then we put our cheese. So you're going to cut the cheese into 3 pieces, long, like that. Okay, and then you have to roll it. And this time you're going to close the fire. Then put it on the plate. And it's ready to serve. So now our egg omelette with cheese is done. So let's go try and see. Cut them in the middle and see. The cheese is already been melted. So that's all. Enjoy your breakfast and happy cooking. Thank you guys for watching, and God bless us all. Bye bye.